It's hard to bear, it's difficult to believe. When I heard the news that you have left this earthly tent, no words can describe mute like a fish in water. Tears fall not just from my eyes, but from the depths of my heart. Can I stop them? I never thought you'd leave so soon, but now you've gone to your heavenly home. Yet I have hope, and it's not in vain, for you believed in the one who raises the dead. The Lord Jesus is our hope, and you are safe in His embrace. You are in your heavenly home. I have hope, and it is not in vain, for the righteous rest, protected from evil, even when no one understands.